again, your host for today. So, let us welcome Miss Kim Samolde.
Hi everyone, my name is Kim Samolde, first year college, 1B visa, to share my day of my life.
So hello everyone, welcome to my A Day of My Life. Today is 7 a.m. This is my morning routine. I've been waking up early. Usually the first thing I do is fixing my bed and scroll down on my phone watching video and TikTok. I will then get into my morning skin routine, brushing my teeth, washing my face and take a bath. Also cooking my breakfast and eating it before going to school. In school, love to listen my teacher and doing my activity homework. One of my hobbies is writing a story, applying makeup on my face, and also I love to sing. And that's all my A Day in My Life experience. Thank you.
So now let us proceed to the question and answer portion.
Miss Kim Samolde, let us see.
Of course, thank you.
How's your day, Miss Kim?
Much better than tomorrow.
Oh, I see. So, let us talk about your daily life, Miss Kim.
It's natural and I do like makeup and dancing, singing sometimes.
Oh, good. Can you give some example, Miss Kim?
No, sorry, it's not vegan time.
Why you're so blooming now, Miss Kim? Who makes you happy?
Actually, my family and my friends.
Thank you, Miss Kim. Thank you for sharing your a day in your life. I hope that you make it more memorable and happy.
Thank you.